Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll go over how to manage tag approvals on Facebook. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. You'll find this at the bottom right of your screen. This opens up a list of options. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings to go to your account's main settings page. Now look for Profile and Tagging and tap on it. This section lets you manage tagging and who can see things on your profile. Under the Review section, you'll see 2 important options. Review tags, people add to your posts before they appear on Facebook, and review posts you're tagged in before they appear on your timeline. You can turn on either or both options by tapping the toggle switch next to each. A blue switch means it's on, while grey means it's off. And that's it! You now have more control over tags on your profile. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.